Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series of JavaScript. So let me tell you the what is the JavaScript and what are the features of JavaScript. Let me tell you the difference between Java and JavaScript because it sounds similar. Now let me clear these misconceptions. Because JavaScript is a scripting language where we can include the programming concept, logical concept and many more. Let's move on to understand the famous of JavaScript because it is a nowadays it is turned on very most famous among the languages. And now I have some listed applications of JavaScript. So this is a JavaScript may include the varieties of features, and this is developed by Brandon Echai in 1995, and this is applicable for many areas. It acts as a dynamic. For example, Node.js. This is a Node.js. It is a useful in a React. So this is a one of the front-end library for Facebook. This is a native React Native. This is mostly applicable for mobile applications. Then we can have the Electron.js. It is a standalone for some softwares like pen softwares. Then one of the application is a React 360. It is a virtual reality, and also we have the TensorFlow, and this is one of the most important framework for machine learning models, and it is useful for data science, data analysis and virtual reality. It is a very useful, and from these we can have the examples from the different domains. So in a JavaScript that is a everything is happens in a DOM, that is a document object model. It is a looks hierarchical look because every child element have the relation with the parent, so it is having a hierarchical look. So document object model we can have the some extreme look, and we can start to the various interactive or live programming concept in a JavaScript. So the JavaScript interact with the HTML. We can see the HTML in a hierarchical fashions, like we have the diagram for this. And let's start with some example. We can start. So I can move to the programming. So we are observing the program with having some simple example. So I will add program by having one example. So I am going to start with the simple basic program in JavaScript. We are going to have the all common tags which normally used in HTML, and we can have the tags which are required for the program, any simple program. So I will give some text for the title. This is a JavaScript first program. Then we can have the concept which regards in a script. So we are going to start with the script tag. In a head we always include the script tag. There are the many varieties we can include in a head. we can include in a body tag also. The script tag is going to add in a head as well, we can add in a script tag. So we can have the script type as script type equal to, I will add text or and now we will see the variable use of variables in JavaScript. Initially I will assign the directly values as in this way. So while declaring the variables, we have to start with the var and name of the variable. We can have the name as a equal to 10. Then we are having another variable b equal to something that is going to displayed. Suppose I want to make addition, so I will add another variable to make addition of these a plus b. So I will add a plus b is the calculation. So here again I am going to declare the var c equal to a plus b. Then we can have the output statement, so we can display the value of the variables. This is the document dot write is the method where we are going to display the output of the variables. And if we want to have the some look for the text, so I will add the heading. I will add something like this, so it looks better as compared to the simple normal look. This is a welcome to JavaScript, and that is taken in a heading 1. So I have taken the heading tag in a double quote. As well we can take the paragraph if we want. So I am going to take the paragraph as how that is going to take in a paragraph fashion. So I will close the paragraph tag. Then I have to display the variables, so I will close the double quote and will add the comma and have the variables with plus operator c. So this is going to display the output of the values, that is addition is going to display in a c variable. So if we want to display the content in a different way, in JavaScript we have the features like it behaves as a dynamic. As we require the value of variable numeric, it is going to display numeric. If we want to display the string, that is going to display as a string. So everything is converting it into the required type. So there is no need to declare the type of the variables, whether it is an integer, float or character. So as we are going to use the variable content, it is going to convert into that type. So here now it is a different way. We can have the text something here. Variable c is going to have the text, that is a something like this. So again I will add a plus b. Suppose I want to display these two different outputs. So I will add here the message simply, that is a now we can close the required tags which we have included, that is a script is added, so we are going to close. Then we have used the tags, that is a head. Then we can have the required tag. If this is equal to, I will give something so I have completed all the tags. I have closed, and let's save by the extension. If it is a first program, I will save it as simply file name and HTML. So let's see the output for the current program. So nothing is displayed, so we'll check the code of the program. So this is the output for the current code. Here we have displayed the heading hello, welcome to JavaScript, and we have taken the paragraph, have a nice day, have a nice session. And in the first case we have displayed the addition of two numbers 30, and second case it is considered whole elements of the variables as a text. So initially we have kept MIT and 10, 20, so it is a whole considered as a text. So this is how we can have the variation. If it is a integer, it will display as an integer. If it is a character or string, it is going to display as in that way. So this is the output of first JavaScript programming, and have many more examples with many more practicing examples. So thank you so much. If you have any suggestions, let me know, or you can put in a chat box, so that can be useful to make any variation or changes in a program or in a video.